Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy's Popeye. Amelia's upstairs taking a nap, and we got the baby monitor turned on because we're getting ready to go outside and have a little bit of fun. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. We're going to have some fun today, so I'm glad you guys are here because we have the Redcat Racing Gen 7, even though this is the Everest Gen 7 Pro, and the Gen 8 just came out. I'm really debating picking one up. What do you guys think? And then we have a budget-friendly crawler here. We tested on the channel about a week ago in some really light snow and some mud, and that was a lot of fun. This guy's only a couple $100 ready to run. I love that. Abby and I are getting ready to go outside and have a little bit of fun in the quickly melting snow that we got last night. It's really just a dusting. And we had more plans for bigger, thicker snow fun, but we just didn't get the amount of snow that we thought we were going to get like we have in the past. Guys have told us, you've mentioned making snow pads and trails and things, and we've done that in the past, and it was so much fun with some of our axial trucks we had. So we'll have to link that video in the description box below. Buy these trucks if you want to check that video out because that was so much fun. Popeye ran around. We did the trucks. The snow was like just as deep as the trucks. It was so much fun. So much fun. I can't wait till we get more snow like that because we have some really cool products and some things we want to show you for these trucks when we get that much snow. We just don't have that much right now. So Abby and I thought we'd take these out, get them cleaned up in the snow a little bit while Amelia is napping. Hopefully we can get in a little bit of fun because that's just what we love to do in this hobby. This is a pro version. It's like $80 more than this. You can get a cheaper version of this, about 200 bucks. This is 200 bucks, but this one's 280. And then we added like a $20 light mod on the top here, which I just love. I'll have all this good stuff linked in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. I think I'm gonna drive my Redcat. Abby, you can drive this one because, I mean, I love them both.
I'd rather drive my Vitera today.
They're both kind of mine.
Yeah, they're both yours.
I like my Redcat, I think, just a tiny bit more, I think, so, especially because of my light bar. So let's just go have some fun. This is going to be a good time. Well, hopefully that turned out for you guys. It's been a while since we've just put a GoPro on and went out and recorded driving around and stuff. It was fun. So cold, it's about 20 degrees Fahrenheit out, and so we started with Amelia out there with us, all bundled up against Abby, but realized that was way too cold. We stepped right outside and was like, whoa, that's too cold. And Abby went back inside. She drove from the house and I went out and drove and did my best to record with a new method. I don't know, maybe everything was out of frame. I hope it turned out. It was fun. There were a few cool spots where it was thicker snow, and if we get more snow about that level, about an inch or two of snow, then we're gonna have some fun with some snow things that we have. Just can't wait for that. It keeps melting. It's just rain and cold and snow and melt. If you like what you saw in the video, we'll have a link in the description box below. All the good stuff we'll have. And remember, if you missed these videos, these construction vehicles, then be sure to check those out. We just had a lot of fun with this one last night. And it's really dark because that bright sun coming in, but that was a lot of fun. And only $35 too, so that was really cool. Something to do just have a lot of fun inside when it's snowy and cold and wet and you just can't get out and have fun outside. It's just so hard. It's just so hard for us right now to find time to like go to the airfield and fly like we used to with Amelia being so young. So we're doing our best to do some indoor videos and get out when we can. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. I said, thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. There it is.